Hello everybody, I'm Programmer Yan, and today I'm going to tell something about the character type in C language. So here, how do we declare or initialize or assign a character? So here, you use the char keyword to represent that the character is it's a abbreviation. So I initialize three variables. The variable A, which means the little a in English, and notice here we use the single quote because it is only one character. Only one. A character can only store one character, so you use the single quote. So the variable B for small b, and the variable C for small c. And here you can see, here is a lot of words, right? A lot of words, and so you use the double quote. Is it called double quote or not something else? I don't know. So you use double quote. So how to distinguish the usage of double quote and single quote? Single quote for single character. Double quote for lots of characters. Okay, so here I'm trying to print out the three variables. So here you use %C to make a place for character to show. So here I use %C, and here I passing the A as a parameter. So it will show the content in the A variable here to replace the %C, the place of %C. So okay, so I didn't make a memory space or RAM space video in English, so it will maybe a little bit hard to explain here. But okay, you can think. In computer world, it is binary. What means binary? Binary means you only have 0 and 1. So you are running 0 and 1. Okay, so we call 1 bit. A bit can represent 0 or 1. 2 bit can. So you have 2 bit. If you have 2 bit, you have 4 options: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1. Okay, so we call here we named a byte. A byte means 8 bits. So a character will occupy a byte in your memory, in your RAM memory. We call memory. So 8 bits. So how many options you can have with 8 bits? Okay, the answer is the 2 to the power of 8. So it is 256. So we have so many. We have about 200 available numbers to show characters. So how do we show characters in computer? So here we have the ASCII code. The ASCII code is a standard. It's like a table, and it shows that it is like. Yeah, let's just see the wiki page. So ASCII code is abbreviated from American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So it is a character encoding. So what is the character encoding? You can see here. So okay, we can just skip here to go to the table. Oh my god, why it is so different from the Chinese one? Okay, so here we can see. Okay, the third column means the decimal number. So and the last column shows what is the represented graph for the decimal numbers. Okay, you can see here the character 0. The character 0 or the graph 0 is represented by 48, and the graph 1 is represented by 49. So you can see furthermore, the big A is represented by 65, and the small a is represented by 97. Okay, so it is a table, and it can show you all the encoding and decoding of the ASCII code. So here this 3 line I show the characters stored in the variables. So here, let's check the code represents the variables. So what is the code? The code is just a number, an integer. So okay, we can show the code for A. So here I use %d for decimal number. But why I can use d to show a character? Here it is the type change forced by the compiler. So yeah, we are not it is not recommend to do things like this, like yeah, just a non-obvious type change. But here I just want to show you, yeah, the small character, the small a can be represented by a number. Okay, so if we have a digit in character type, so here I have num1, and it stores a character of 0, and num2 stores a character of 1. So we can show, yeah, here we still use %c and num1 and num2. So okay, let's check the codes to represent the numbers. So here I use num1, and again use %d to show what is stored in num1 actually in your computer. So here I will compile my code, and okay, so no. So here I will compile my code again. Oh my god. Well, compile my code again and show you how the code runs. Okay, so here is the output of our code. So here you can go here. Yeah, variable A stored A, B stored B, C stored C. Okay, so let's check the code for the variables. So yeah, we can go to the wiki page and go to the small character little let's lower okay, so for lower a it is 97. Okay, 97. Okay, so for B 98, for small c 99. So it's all correct. Okay, so how if we have digits in character type, so num1 means 0, num2 means 1. Okay, this is okay. So let's check the code for the numbers. So let me scroll my screen. Oh, okay, here. Let's see. For the number 0 or graph 0, we use 48 to represent it. And for the number 1, for the graph 1, we use 49 to represent it. Okay, so this is the ASCII code, and I hope you can yeah, just if you get confused, you can just go to the wiki page and check it out. And yeah, so maybe somebody may ask that, and how about the characters for Europeans, for Chinese, or for any other language with aside from English? So yeah, so 256 options is not enough. It's not enough for all the characters in the world. So after that we have Unicode, we have something coding standard for that. But just remember, in C language we use character, and a character only have 256 options, and it follows ASCII encoding standard. So just remember this. So yeah, you may type in some other other characters other than English in a string. Yeah, in this double quote, between the double quotes. But yeah, it can be shown, but yeah, but you just don't know how it works. So yeah, just avoid it. Okay, so that's today's lesson. So if you like my video, please help me to click the like button. And if you have any question, or you think I didn't explain clearly, or I explained something wrong, please leave your comments below and I will definitely reply you. And if you want to get the other lessons like this, just a small part, but almost upload every day or every 2 days or longer if I have other things to do. Yeah, so if you want to continually get the information of the programming language, you can subscribe my channel and I will very appreciate for that. So this is today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.